Hello, my name is Sergio Yáñez Hernández. I'm studying degree Gestión Empresarial y de Proyectos in the UNIDE. Then I present my video of the Unit 2. I am at home. I am sitting on my desk. I am wearing shorts and tennis. I'm not eating. I'm doing my video right now. My wife is cooking breakfast. My daughter is watching TV. She is not studying. My last vacation was to Temisco, Morelos. We played table tennis. We swim in the pool. We did not climb the Teposteco. I drove the car. My wife did not play table tennis. When you went on vacation, where you went for vacation? My wife's name is Oribel. She can prepare very good dishes. My oldest daughter studies in Puebla. Cannot come every day to Tulancingo. My youngest daughter is 16 years old. She can play the guitar. When can they come to Tulancingo? Or where can I see them? Thank you and see you soon.